Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Intan Valentina Saputri. In this video, I will talk about homonym. Apa sih homonym itu? A homonym refers to a word that shares the same spelling and pronunciation as another word but has a different meaning. This word may also have different origins. Homonym can create ambiguity or wordplay in language due to their dual meaning. A homonym is one of two or more identical names, not including authorship, that are based on different types spacetime. The latter homonym based on publication date is illegitimate unless it is conserved. See earlier discussion. Homonym can be troublesome because it may refer to three distinct classes of words. Homonyms might be words with identical pronunciation but different spelling and meanings, such as and dua, or they may be words with both identical pronunciation and identical spellings but different meaning, such as while the bird and while to cry. Finally, they might be words that are spelled alike but are different in pronunciation and meaning, such as the bow of a ship and bow that shoots a arrow. The first and second types are sometimes called homophone, and the second and third types are sometimes called homograph, which makes naming the second type a bit confusing. Some language scholars prefer to limit homonym to the third type. Why are homonyms important? Overall, knowing what the word homonym means is a lot less important than make sure use homonyms properly so people can understand what you mean. But knowing the difference between homographs, homophone, and homonyms can help. One way to remember difference is to learn that their endings mean. Homograph, homophone, and homonym all start with homo, which means same. The graph in homograph means written. Homograph are words that are written the same, meaning they always have the same spelling but have different meaning. Homograph can be pronounced the same or not. The phone in homophone means sound is a sound. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meaning, whether they're spelled the same or not. There are homophones. Bear the animal and bare meaning uncovered or empty or empty are homophones. The name in homophones mean name. The word homonym can be to refer to a word that is both a homograph and homophone. It can also be used as a synonym. There's that name again for either homophone and homograph. The word homonym is typically used in a much looser way than homophone and homograph. It can refer to a word that is either a homophone or a homograph or both. Characteristic of homonym 1. Short form. Homonyms can be homophones, meaning they have the same pronunciation but may be spelled differently. Example, two, or dua. Alternatively, they can be homographs, meaning they have the same spelling but may have different pronunciation or meaning. Example, win as a verb and wine as a noun. Two different meaning. The most defining characteristic of homonyms is that they have distinct meanings. Even though they share the same form, This meaning can be unrelated or related, but they are not synonym. 3. Context dependence. The meaning of a homonym is determined by the context in which it used. Readers or listeners need to understand the surrounding words situation to interpret the intended meaning. And the last is used in wordplay. Homonyms are often used in jokes, puns, and other forms of wordplay due to their ability to create ambiguity and humor. Similarly, a river bank, a saving bank, a bank of switches, and a bank shot in the game of pool share a common spelling and pronunciation but differ in meaning. For example, the words there, and there are examples of three words that are of a singular pronunciation, have different spelling and vastly different meaning. These three words are commonly misused or alternatively misspelled. And the next is types of homonym. First, lexical homonym, the sound compatibility of different meaningful lexical units belonging to a part of speech. For example, bat. Bat noun a flying mammal, kelelawar, and bat noun a wooden or club-like tool used in sport, pemukul. And two, grammatical homonym, the matching of different semantic language units in sound in separate grammatical form. For example, left, left verb, past tense of leave, she left the room, or left adjective, direction opposite of right, turn left. And the three is word-forming homonym, the matching of the sounds of morphemes that differ in terms of word-forming meaning. For example, a suffix in teacher, a person who teaches, adjective suffix, and in faster, comparative form of fast comparative suffix. Jadi kayak tambahan er. And the next four is syntactic homonym, the matching of sound of different syntactic construction. For example, visiting relatives can be boring. Relatives who are visiting can be boring, adjective plus noun, and the act of visiting relative can be boring, gerund plus noun. 5 is phonetic homonym, the correspondence of sound units of different meaning to sounds depending on their different spelling. For example, night and night. Night pisau, a medieval warrior, and night, the time after sunset, malam. And the last is graphic homonym, graphic compatibility of language unit with different pronunciation. For example, lead. Lead noun, a heavy metal, and lead verb to guide someone. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.